Hi, my name is Will. When I'm not traveling or working on power stations, I really love spending time with my wife, Holly, and our 4 little children. We like to do things like go bowling, we like to hunt and fish, we like to spend time outside together, and we really enjoy golf. Other than those things, we like to travel, and this summer we were actually blessed to go to Africa together as a family to work with AIDS orphans. Zambia is known as the cradle of the AIDS orphans crisis, and there are hundreds of thousands of suffering orphans there. We were able to do a vacation Bible school and share Jesus with them. We were also able to build a home for 8 orphans and a widow. It was one of the most meaningful things we've ever done together, and you can learn more about Every Orphan's Hope at everyorphan.org. Thanks for stopping by the website. I look forward to getting to know you and your family and hearing your story sometime soon. Thanks so much for contacting us, and we look forward to working with you in the future.